So on today's Starline S9, we have been doing on this 24 plate transporter. So we've got the proximity. We do multiple shock sensors. There's actually 3 shock sensors on this vehicle because you don't end up with a hot spot and then the rest not picking you up. So if we go to the back now, it picks us up. Okay, so it's got shock tilted motion. It's got text messages that are coming through to the phone right now. It's got phone calls on full trigger. It's got pin to start. It's got a blue flashing LED inside. Horn honk, extra rear siren. Should we hear the horn honk? Okay. That was the horn honk. All using the factory key, but you do get some extra tags that are authorization for the vehicle. So if I unlock it now and go around and I try and start it, what you will get is some beeps inside. I don't know whether you can hear that through there, but I've just tried to start it, it won't start. Because I've got pin code to disable, I can use the pin code like this. It will flash twice at me, beep beep, and it will allow me to then start the vehicle and drive off. Without that, after 30 seconds, the vehicle would have triggered the full alarm and everyone would have known, and I'd have got a phone call.